Hello guys, welcome to this new video. If you want to learn more about editing video, don't forget to comment below. Today I want to challenge myself to just code Adobe Pro in 24 hours, and it's a very good day just to improve your soft skills and hard skills. Let's get started. The process of learning takes a long time. It's the reason why it's very important to be patient. Believe in you, believe in yourself. I believe in you. I believe in your potential and DNA as a new content creator, artist, or industrial designer. Today we are going to review Adobe Pro interface. Adobe Pro is a very good and interesting interface to work with. I want to use this for my different editing video projects. To discover this interface change my working. An interesting different option of working. This interface make it easy to use, and as a beginner I just experience this every single day to improve my hard skills, my mastering with this program step by step every single day to discover how I could become more efficient in working. I recommend you to experience. It's not necessary to be expert to have a lot of hard skills to use this interface. See you soon for the next video. Have a good Sunday. Bye bye.